And there's some news just coming in at this point in time. Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Sinha has been attacked in Lakhisarai. Poll day violence that is now being seen in the state of Bihar. This incident has been reported from Lakhisarai districts where stones were pelted at the Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha. He cast his vote earlier today and now stones have been pelted at his car. Incident is from Lakhisarai in Bihar. Let's take a listen.
आके बूथ पर कहता है कि शांतिपूर्ण जब उम्मीदवार को उप मुख्यमंत्री को घुसने नहीं दे रहा है गांव में, सारा गाड़ी पर पत्थर और गोबर फेंका है। ये गुंडा राजद का गुंडा है और सत्ता में आए बिना इसके गुंडे देख लीजिए कि बिहार के उप मुख्यमंत्री को बाहर जाने के लिए किस तरह से विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहा है। बूथ पर मेरे पोलिंग एजेंट को सुबह में ही 6:30 बजे लौटा दिया, धमकी देके वोटर को निकलने नहीं दे रहा है। गाड़ी पर पथराव किया है, पूरा देखिए गाड़ी घिनाया, गोबर उबर सब फेंका है, चप्पल फेंका है, जूता फेंका है। इस तरह के गुंडा राज और यहाँ का एसपी इतना कायर कमजोर है, आके कहता कि शांतिपूर्ण मतदान हो रहा है। धिक्कार है इसे प्रशासन को। सेंट्रल पोस्ट बूथ के अंदर दिया है, रोड पेट्रोलिंग में रहना चाहिए ना, पेट्रोलिंग पर गांव में निकलने नहीं देता है। और कल हमारे दलित के अति पिछड़े समाज के लोगों को ये लोग धमकी दिया, कोई भी घटना घटित होगा इसी गांव में आकर हम बैठेंगे, अनशन करेंगे। एसपी कह रहा है कि हाँ हम देख रहे हैं, हम भेजेंगे, भेजो रे, हम कहे हैं भेजने के लिए। ये खुड़ियारी गांव है, खुल करके सुबह ही 6:30 बजे से हाँ मामला इतना गंभीर है, उसके बाद भी इतनी लापरवाही है प्रशासन की ओर से। धिक्कार है इसे। ये कुल राजद के लोग हैं और राजद के भी शरीफ लोगों को नहीं, राजद के गुंडे लोग ये सब हैं।
I'm going to go across to Sujit Jha, our colleague, for more details on that story. Sujit, इस समय डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर का बयान है कि वो ठीक है, लेकिन इस तरीके से जो वायलेंस हो रहा है ये दिखाता है कि जंगल राज एस्टैब्लिश करने की कोशिश महागठबंधन की तरफ से है। सीधा सीधा जो अटैक है वो महागठबंधन के लिए है।
बिल्कुल, वो तो मतलब लाजमी है कि डिप्टी सीएम है जय कुमार सिन्हा अपने क्षेत्र में इस प्रकार उन पर हमला हुआ, उनके कॉन्वॉय पर हमला हुआ बुदली गांव में। और जबकि बता रहे हैं कि जब सुबह से ही तनाव था उस इलाके में, तो कम से कम उस इलाके में पुलिस बल तैनात करना चाहिए। इतनी ज़्यादा संख्या में पारा मिलिट्री फोर्स आई हुई है बिहार शांतिपूर्ण चुनाव कराने के लिए। इसके बावजूद इस तरह की घटनाएं हो रही हैं, तो निश्चित तौर पर ये तो पूरी तरह से प्रशासन पर इसकी जिम्मेदारी जाती है। और प्रशासन अभी चुनाव आयोग के हाथ में होता है। चुनाव के दौरान निश्चित तौर पर इस पर जो भी जहां से भी लापरवाही बरती गई है इस पर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। लेकिन हमें दूसरे पक्ष को भी देखना होगा कि आखिर कहां क्या मामला क्या है, आखिर ये घटना हुई तो हुई क्यों, क्या इसके पीछे की वजह है, ये भी जानना बेहद जरूरी है।
हमारे साथ सुजीत झा getting in those details at this point in time. Rohit also is with us for the very latest. Rohit, are these people identified just yet? Who were these people who attacked the convoy of the Deputy Chief Minister? Rohit. I'll just go back to Rohit in a moment from now, but to tell our viewers a little about what has in fact happened here, let's listen in to what the Deputy Chief Minister had said.
मैं इसी गांव में हुआ, समुच्चा भीड़ आगे आ रही है, आप स्पेशल फोर्स भेजिए, हम यहीं धरना पर बैठेंगे। ये गुंडा राज को स्थापित प्रशासन, यहाँ का एसपी इतना कमजोर कायर है, आके बूथ पर कहता है कि शांतिपूर्ण जब उम्मीदवार को उप मुख्यमंत्री को घुसने नहीं दे रहा है गांव में, सारा गाड़ी पर पत्थर और गोबर फेंका है। मैं इसी गांव में हूँ, समूचा भीड़ आगे आ रही है। आप स्पेशल फोर्स भेजिए, हम यहीं धरना पर बैठेंगे। ये गुंडा राज को स्थापित प्रशासन यहाँ का एसपी इतना कमजोर कायर है, आके बूथ पर कहता है कि शांतिपूर्ण, जब उम्मीदवार को उप मुख्यमंत्री को घुसने नहीं दे रहा है गांव में, सारा गाड़ी पर पत्थर और गोबर फेंका है।
There from the Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha, whose convoy has come under attack. I'm going to go straight to Rohit for more details on that. Rohit, of course, this is a political allegation that has quickly been made by the Deputy Chief Minister, saying that the Mahagathbandhan is behind this, is a reflection really of Jungle Raj. But tell us, what really happened here? Who are those people who attacked the Deputy Chief Minister's vehicle?
Well, see, Sneha, Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha, who is contesting elections from Lakhisaray, his cavalcade has been pelted with stones a short while back, and in the visuals it's very much clear that while Vijay Kumar Sinha, after casting his mandate, was moving around his own constituency, overseeing how the voting process is going on, how people are coming out to vote, and whether to check everything was in control or not. That is the point when he was crossing through one of the villages, that his convoy was attacked by several local people here, and stones were pelted at his convoy. Several vehicles that were part of his cavalcade that have been damaged. The window glasses have also been damaged here, and now Vijay Kumar Sinha leveling allegations that all this is because of Mahagathbandhan. He says that it's the handiwork of the Mahagathbandhan, because of which this kind of an incident has happened, that he has and his cavalcade has come under attack. However, this is a political allegation that Vijay Kumar Sinha is making that remains to be verified. But the police has now reached the spot and ascertaining what exactly has happened. But this is a huge incident that has taken place on the day of voting, when the Deputy Chief Minister, also a candidate from Lakhisaray, his cavalcade has been attacked by a mob during elections, especially on the voting day. Back to you, Sneha.
Absolutely, Rohit, continue to be with us. He's of course said that this is a political attack and that this is reflection of Jungle Raj. That the Mahagathbandhan, Rohit, he says, will bring back undoubtedly pictures are of Vijay Sinha's immediate reaction when the attack took place, and he says he was not allowed to enter a village. That's what is being said. Talk to us, Rohit, about what more details that you have with you about the current status of the situation. It looked very chaotic. I see fair amount of sloganeering also that happened at this very spot where Sinha was.
Well, see, the situation in Lakhisaray, especially at the location where this entire incident has happened, has turned extremely tense because of this stone pelting incident on Vijay Kumar Sinha's cavalcade. And what we are seeing is that Vijay Kumar Sinha has escaped unhurt in this incident, but several vehicles in his cavalcade has been damaged, and now Vijay Sinha is leveling allegations that RJD and Mahagathbandhan was behind this incident of pelting stone at his cavalcade. And as I told you, at this point of time, the Election Commission is in control of the law and order situation across the state, and under which we are seeing that this incident has happened. Remains to be seen. The police has reached the spot. They are trying to ascertain what exactly has happened and what were the circumstances under which this entire incident happened. But
Understood.
it's a shocking incident which has taken place, especially the Deputy Chief Minister coming under attack by a mob, especially on the voting day. Sneha.
Well, absolutely. This is poll day violence in the state of Bihar from Lakhisaray. Pictures are of the Deputy Chief Minister, Vijay Sinha, and also you can see there was sloganeering that happened. These are pictures from a few moments ago. The Prime Minister has also referred to something that the Deputy Chief Minister said about Jungle Raj, an attempt by the Mahagathbandhan to establish once again Jungle Raj in the state, is what he said.